mid-lake until 8:30 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 13 nautical miles northwest of Michigan City Harbor to near Indiana Harbor, moving east at 45 knots. Additional strong thunderstorms were over southern Cook County and will move across the waters south of Northerly Island after 8 p.m. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Michigan City Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Burns Harbor, and Indiana Harbor. Wisconsin to Pentwater.